Jesus! In stores now. Big Body Shanice!
Oh, Jesus. You know that we make whole Instagram now?
Look at my lips! My lips still fat because of your damn assness touch that! I am sick and tired of your foolishness! You don't even want to give me blood job no more!
First of all, Tabitha Prime, Jesus, you're stupid, son. You're very ungrateful. I told you that I wanted a Spanish man instead of giving me a Latin man. I said you voted for him 10,000 times. I don't respect you for it. You're dumb.
I'm about to push your ass cat, gentleman!